Hey there guys, let's get started on our really cute little snowflake. So here's our little snowflake all finished. He's super adorable and you can stick a little magnet on the back. He can be a little magnet on your fridge. He can be whatever, but we're gonna set that aside for now and we're gonna walk through exactly how to make it. So it's a very small bundle of pipe cleaners. Let's take off our rubber bands and set those to the side. And then we're gonna walk through just exactly which pipe cleaners you have and some general techniques for how we use pipe cleaners, because I think you're gonna really enjoy doing this and you might wanna do a little more. So wanna give you some ways to actually work with pipe cleaners here. So here's our little template and you should have 4, and these are quarters of a pipe cleaner and these are 1/8 of a pipe cleaner, and there should be 8 of them. So this only takes 2 pipe cleaners, okay? We're going to take 2 of our quarters here and we're just going to crisscross them, and if you want you can lay them out on the template. And when you do that, you just kind of want to see where the middle is and kind of put your finger on it, pinch it down, pick it up, and we're just going to bend them around. So it's kind of hard to keep them centered. So you just find what looks like the center to you, because remember, every snowflake is different. And then you're going to bend over one side and then the other like this. And you have a little cross. That's gonna start our snowflake. And yes, part of it is longer, and that's okay. Don't worry, it will all work out. So now you have a little cross, okay? Now grab another of your little quarters and we're gonna get it as close to the middle as we can, and we're gonna bend it over and then bend the other one over like this. So we're gonna make a little diagonal. So you have a little diagonal with your cross. Now we're gonna do one more going the opposite diagonal, and as close to the center as possible. Bend it over and pinch, and then bend the other one and pinch. So you're changing sides, and then once they're secure, you're just going to straighten it all out, okay? So you're gonna get your centers going up and down, your sides going side to side, and then your little X in the center. And there we go. There is the almost finished snowflake. Now this last part is a little bit tedious. So what we're gonna do is I like to take these and just bend them to start into little tiny V's. And you're gonna do it to all of them. You don't have to do this at the start like I am, but I just like to take them in half into a V so I know where the center is, and it's pretty quick to do all 8 of them. And then once we get all the way through, we can start adding our little tips to our snowflake that you'll see right here. So now we have a little V, and right here in the center of this V, we're gonna put the center of the V right here and kind of leave a little bit sticking up. And then we're gonna do what we've been doing. We're just gonna bend it over, crisscross it like this, and bend it up into a V. That's it. And you're just gonna keep going all the way around. So it doesn't matter which one you do next. If you wanna go top and bottom, side to side, I like to do it that way. I don't know why, I just do. But you're simply gonna secure it on and then bend it into a V. So we just bend over like this, kind of get it a little tight, smoosh it down so it stays on there, and bend it into a V. You're gonna have little fuzzy pieces. It's part of cutting the pipe cleaners, but that's okay. You can just kind of gently pull them off. This is a really good way to get used to gentle pressure with your pipe cleaner and really see that you have way more control as your pressure stays gentle, because you have to be pretty gentle to be able to go around these without completely distorting your shape and keep them secure. So you have to be patient. I think that's the real thing with pipe cleaners. And now if you want, you can stop right here and just have these. But you could also finish it out and put tips on the others. So I'll just show you what that looks like, because it's simple. You're just gonna continue with all of these little 8s and push it into a V. You're just gonna keep going. Do the exact same thing. And the fun thing about this one is this is a pretty quick craft. So you could make a lot of these and hang them up in your room. You could do these at school. You could decorate with these. These could be on a table as like snowflake decorations. They can have like a magnet at the beginning, like I said. You can hot glue a magnet with some help and use it as a magnet. These are so cute for just general winter decorations, and you can also do them in bunches of different colors. They don't have to be white. I like to do little pink snowflakes, blue snowflakes. I've done some orange ones. They were kind of odd, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, do fun little rainbow snowflakes. Who cares? Be creative. Do something that you enjoy. All right, and now we have a snowflake with all of our fuzz, but it looks really good, and it didn't take very long, and now you know you only need 2 pipe cleaners to make it happen. We hope you had fun. Thank you so much for creating with us. Make sure you show this off on Instagram. Tag us at Ascend Art Co. Let us know how it went, what you want to create next. Show it off to others and use it as a magnet. Teach other people how to do it. Have fun being creative with others, by yourself, and as always, happy twisting.